Yan. Diyan na.
Hindi, quiz your... Ay, question mo. Answer yan.
Ilan?
Oh my God. Okay. What do you guys want to do tonight? What do you guys... Yung sinasabi ko, ang tanggalangas nyo eh.
Answer. Sagutin natin.
What do you guys want to do tonight?
4. So, 8. Ganun. M lang naman yun eh. Diba? 8.
8. 4, 6, 8. Tapos yung tamang sagot yun yung may text. So, for example,
Yan. Okay.
Yung ganun. So,
May M lang. Try lang.
tapos yan sa iba.
Hindi na.
Kasi nakala ko naman may ano.
Hindi ako na siya. Try lang na.
Pwede nga maglagay ka rin ng end screen.
Okay,
Ano ba?
what do you guys want to
Kasi
do?
pag end screen,
Sige, end screen
mapapanood
ka.
nila yung ibang video.
Paper game!
For example.
Paper game!
Paano?
Paper
Parang
game!
yung ibang...
Ay!
Paper game! You guys want to see? Yeah? You want the paper game?
Ay.
Gusto ni Kuya.
I think that's a good idea.
Alias siya.
Pero gums daw yung ano.
Gums!
Hindi dikit. Ayan, tapos yan, lalabas yung video mo at saka yung recent mo. So, pag tapos na sila sa video mo, pwede silang manood ng...
Secret
Ano
reveal.
nalagay natin?
Hindi, yun na nga, yung most...
Okay, sige.
tsaka yung
Okay na yan?
Oh,
Meron
yun
din
na
meron ako secret sa level 2ers ko.
No. Anong secret mo? Tapos na?
Ano? You tell me yours and I'll tell you mine.
Hindi, I mean tapos na. Nasabi mo na. Oh, di okay.
Yep. I got a secret.
Laban lang yan. Laban lang yan. Anong oras ka members only?
Kanina. When we were at Modern Shang.
Anong reaction mo, Ben?
I don't know, that might be the filter, guys.
Jowa challenge.
Ha?
Kamusta ang jowa challenge?
Do my eyes look teary-eyed? Hindi. Hindi naman.
Sa dito sa akin.
Wala.
Oo, medyo.
Ah,
Pero
medyo?
di ko lang alam sa... Ay, sige sa camera. Medyo.
Sa camera, no?
Oo, nag-ano ka ba? Ay, or antok ka.
Paka-antok,
Ano,
guys.
anong oras ka mag-air bukas na mag-air?
Air what?
O today din?
8 p.m.
Pero sa members nila.
Members is live. Now. Guys, may bagong vlog.
Paano sila manonood?
Yung hiningi nyo,
Ay, nandyan.
Jowa Challenge.
Eh, nandyan.
Yun yung intermission. So, 7:59, log out here, watch the vlog. When we come back, it's on your account. That's the intermission.
No, may intermission number.
May intermission number tayo, guys. Okay? Today we have a full show. It's a full show.
Kanta ka na dyan sa show mo.
Yeah.
Zab, 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 zab.
Okay?
Tulungan ka namin. Tulungan ka namin.
So we are doing
Ako ngayon, hindi ko na lang din.
Woo! Who's that? That's Rovic, my man. Rovic. Shit. That's right. So today we are doing a full TikTok
On 9.
campaign layout.
10.
7 to
9
8
na lang.
is KL. Intermission
And
on
Lil
KL's.
Eddie. Where's Lil Eddie?
Lil Eddie, I think he's
He's... He became a statue.
he be-
Naging statue siya.
Lil Eddie became a statue in his bed.
Actually, dapat hindi muna palabi kasi mag-i-air pa siya.
So
Diba?
we're waiting for
Kailan mo ba
him.
nilagay?
So 7 to 8 is KL.
Level 2.
Then we all move to my channel because
Yan muna.
we uploaded the Jowa
Ano sa
challenge.
8 p.m.
Magiging public
So part
video
1 is for me.
August 18.
And then when we get back at 8:20, it's gonna be on
Very tight.
K8 Miss B's.
So wala ka ng...
Alright.
members only.
Public po ba? It's public at 8 p.m.
Kasi pag in-air
So
ko naman, hindi
7:59,
pa
lilipat tayo dun. Alright? I love it. We're traveling. We're traveling in
Pwede ko na
time.
ngayon. Ano,
We're traveling
ano, ano,
in
tapos
the
start.
digital world, baby.
Pwede ako mag-start
Let's go.
8. Para tapos na sila.
TikTok trends. Okay. What TikTok
Or
trend?
9.
Anong TikTok trend na gusto nyo?
Tag-US na magising pa siguro sila.
Ooh, thanks, Achi. So what TikTok trend do you guys want? Sing na po kayo.
Sing ka na daw.
Watching from Riyadh, paperless game, paper. Everyone wants the
Kaya
paper game.
ano natin, script. Where's the script?
I like the paper game too.
Yan, ano ko na yung mga, tapos ipe-present ko. Ipe-present. Ngayon, hindi ka pa gumamit.
Ano man pa gagawin?
Joke. Tire-reviewin, pero pag
Which challenge, guys? Paper game? Paper game. Paperless. They want the paperless game.
Ay,
paperless.
Paperless. Imaginary paper game.
Meron po mga challenge sa TikTok.
Imaginary paper game. Bible challenge. What's a Bible challenge? 24-hour only Tagalog. I can do that, man. That is nothing, man.
that is so sad. Sad.
Eh, may pababa na to.
Oh,
Beba na
bakit parang
talaga,
naluluha
no?
ka eh?
Nambubugbog.
Is that bad? Hold on, let me check. Or pagod lang, no? Pagod lang mata.
Siguro kasi konti lang tulog mo.
Kasi,
Galing kang bataan. Tapos kanina
Yeah,
6 a.m.
that's true. That's why my eyes are watery because we came home from Bataan last
Watery.
night at
So did
2 a.m. and then I had to
Hindi,
wake up at
nilalayo na tanggalin
6:30
yan.
for
Kasi check ko lang kung ano yung
kada
upload.
umaga. So I've been up ever since. I'm on 4 hours
Meron
of
namang
sleep.
automatic siya gagawa. Kaya lang, nilagay ko na. Baka naman
But
kasi
you know what?
ma-upload.
We're still gonna have some fun tonight.
Huwag mong babasahin na maririnig niyo.
Did you guys already stream on Love You?
Mawala na yun.
Streaming on Love You. The Kaldag Challenge. Let's do the Kaldag Challenge. Let's do it. KL versus Jello. Kaldag Challenge. Let's go. You guys want to see that? KL versus Jello Kaldag Challenge.
Ganito kasi.
Or Miss B versus Mr. B. Kaldag Challenge.
Yan, mas maganda yan, mas maganda yan, yan.
And we're facing each other, right? I like that. Ang pangit nun.
Facing each other.
The Kaldag Challenge.
Walking. Sige, go.
Jello versus Francis.
Ay, ayan talaga.
Ayun, Jello versus Francis.
Pero ano, booty shake.
Gawin mo yung time natin, sa time natin.
Booty
Hindi ka
shake.
daga.
Ganito kasi.
Wala naman kung
Ano?
Maririnig.
Working si Miss B.
Working sa Jowa Part 2.
Grabe,
Guys,
paldog sila napunit yung pisngi ko dun, guys.
di ba nagmamadali kayo, guys? Ito na, guys.
Hanggang part 3
Overtime.
yun. Hanggang part 3.
Kahit may baha.
Paldo si Mr. B.
Ay.
Umextend.
Next day.
Umextend. Pero sino nag-decision mag-extend?
Ay.
Ay.
Na naman ako.
Baka the feeling was so good and didn't want it to end.
Ayun. I think that's...
I think
Yeah.
I just felt so good. I don't want this feeling to end.
Ay.
Kaya.
Kapag ako sa kanya to, pinaliwanag ko.
Uy, napanood mo yan.
Ang dami kinikilig sa comment, bilis.
Ay, may mga nanood na?
Oo, dinig.
Woo! Mary! Mary! Yeah, yeah. Mm-hmm. Truth or dare game.
Pero sabi ko, ganda niya yung delivery.
Medyo nagtsubaka yung boses mo doon.
What naman?
English challenge.
Inano ko. Ano kasi ko siya, ba't nawala?
Bakit? Kaya ko naman magtagalog buong araw. Kaya ko magtagalog. What is that, Brazilian?
Turn off.
Hey, thanks for the teddy bear, Rovic. Rovic Romary. Elizabeth Flowers.
Grabe naman yun.
That's right. Miss Pisces. Eva, me. Sit, sit, it, sit. Sit, sit, it, sit.
Alam mo yung song na yun?
I tried earlier. I made my own version. Sit, sit, it, sit, sit. Dun, 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 dun. Wala, everyone wants the paper. Everyone wants the paper game.
Bakit nakatayo?
We'll do the paper game if we get to 30,000 viewers. If we get to 30,000 viewers, we'll do paper game.
Paper game.
Paper game. Paper game.
May pwede bang quiz dun, Jello?
Ano, may
Ano?
kaldag.
Paper game. Paper game ako na
Kasi magkaharapan eh.
Paper game.
Paper game na may kaldag.
Sobrang paldo na nun.
Paper game after yung tuka kaldag. Pangit. Pangit nun. Hmm? Okay. Why? Why? Katie's in the studio.
Hello! Bukas daw siya uwi.
Tatarating lang natin.
Love you. Did you chat na kung promise? Kasi nga anak, ano.
Bebot trend for Miss B. Ooh, I want to see that.
Paano kayo debut?
Bebot trend.
Yung parang 2,000
Bebo,
makeup.
bebo, bebo.
Nakagano tayo mo?
Yung may palobong Beyonce.
Ginagawa ko lagi dahil. Alam mo yun, samahin ka?
Yung may palong.
Oo, yung may palong.
Do it, do it.
Just do it.
Do it, do it, do it. Ooh. Thank you. Mag-pure. Yan. Tagalog ka tonight, Mr. B. Malit na bagay, kayang-kaya ko yan.
Ba't basa-basa yung sofa?
Basa ba?
Hindi siya, di ba?
Ay, oo nga no.
Ba't siya basa?
I have no idea.
Oh, you! Your pants?
Me, it's dry na.
Okay, okay.
Why, it was wet earlier?
Baka sa kanina.
Baka yun yun.
Hindi.
Hindi,
Ito
hindi.
na siya yan.
Ito mga malamig yung ano.
Bakit nga nabasa? It's like, is that the color?
Yeah, color na.
Okay. Hikaban challenge.
Oh my gosh.
You want coffee?
Ay, naku, please, mga katiping ko.
You want tequila?
No! Hindi sasabihin
Loose
mo.
bowel.
Yan.
Loose bowel movement.
Mantika daw. Canola.
Mantikilya, you want mantikilya?
That's butter.
January!
Sabi niya,
Feel you.
ang sabi niya, you want
January.
mantikilya.
January!
January.
Hi, January. Thank you so much. Arigatou gozaimasu.
Arigatou gozaimasu. Yoroshiku onegaishimasu.
Kumanta ka na lang, Mr. B. Diyan si, January, nang tama naman siya.
Okay, sige, sige.
Ang kanta.
January!
Baka may request siya.
Ano nangyari? Nag-air ka na ba? Ay, hindi ako makapanood.
1M! Happy 1M!
Wow, 1M na agad.
1M likes. Right here, guys, just do this. Since nakikitambay lang,
No,
let's
ano,
make our
ano,
fingers
ano.
useful. Ba, 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 bum, 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 ba. Just like that. Dun, 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 dun. Just like that. Because at 2 million
Parang
likes.
umiyak. No.
Hey, go. Come closer. Come closer.
I think it's the filter. Ayan.
Because ikaw din?
Ayan.
Medyo, di ba? See, I think it's a filter too. I think so too. Look what will happen to me. It's the filter.
Ano lang ako mga walang laban. Ano, nakita mo na ba yung gagawin natin, B?
Yung ano?
Ika-cluster mo na ba dyan?
Okay.
Para malaman na natin kung kailan natin gagawin.
Sige.
Bilang.
Let's go. Ayusin ko na.
I heard that earlier.
Oh no, yan din.
Si Lara, antok na. Look at her. Lara is antok na. That's why she's praying. Whoa, Geraldine! Look at that.
Thank you so
Ayan.
much.
Geraldine.
Ayan.
Then,
Antok din ako, B.
it's then,
Hikapan
then,
challenge ng 5 eh.
then.
Ay, taray, Sisi. How's you, Sisi?
ZZ headband.
Busy at ba?
January! Oh my!
Si Miss Jen.
Oh my God! January.
Ouch! Oo, ayoko kumain ng cake eh. Kain ka? Kasi ano, I have taping tomorrow. Hindi ako maka-sleep. Kain ka? Kain ka na.
Hi, January! Hi.
Kain ka na, B.
Who, me?
Ito.
Si B.
Sinong biba?
Kayo. Ba, baby, bobo. Ba, baby.
Abby. Okay, I'm gonna get the I'm gonna get the mic. And then tandahan natin kayo. Oh yeah.
Sarap to.
1 second,
Are
guys.
you sure?
Excuse me. Ooh, let's open our presents.
Ano ba? Saan galing yan yung ano mo? Mga package.
Again?
Be, pwede pa open, please.
Ay, nasanda mo sa akin para makalas.
Ano yan? Ano yan?
Yung mga location.
Ayan.
Excel. Excel ba yan?
Kailangan the props, the requirements, other talent requirements.
Wow, ang daming viewers.
Wala na yan. Ano na yan? Other talent, ibig sabihin other tao na hindi artista, pero talent, pero actor, pero hindi artista. Other talent. So wala, hindi applicable sa atin yan.
Di ba ba sarap?
Actually, kahit hindi mo na ganito yan, gawa ka na lang
Mami,
sa
pakilabas na humor mo,
Tapos-
please.
sa scene na to, wala lang mga names individually.
Ang lagal, gano'n na
Cast
lang.
na lang yung column. Tapos,
Eme.
first scene dito.
Tulog yung kalabang ko, be.
Si
Si Little Eddie, sleeping.
Jello.
Hinaman ko siya, pumunta ako dito.
Or yung sa lakad,
Sleeping-pating.
Yung dalawang blocks lang, di ba? Or Cat, Jello, okay. Yun lang, yung kasa-kasa, under the kasa, column na ano, at Jello. Kasi yun lang kailangan sa scene.
Sige, sige. Pasa mo sa akin.
Oo.
Mas malinis na tignan.
Oo.
Sabihin mo na yung baby ko. Baby ko. Anong energy?
Wala pa
kasi
tayo.
naman,
Wala
wala
nga
pang
ng mantikilya.
Walang
mantikila, walang
gasolina.
nakakabagsak, walang
Walang-
naglalaba. Ay!
Walang kanta. Walang energy.
What energy mas happy.
Tare, sequences pala tawag ko yun.
Sequences. Para malaman na ano yung unahin.
Gumagana na tayo.
Diba?
Ganyan sa taping B.
Iwan na tayo, ano na tayo. Dati, hello mama, ganyan.
Ang dami ng ano.
So, bali script muna, tapos ito.
Inalatag mo ba yan? Ano yung magkakasama?
Okay.
Ooh, I have a new gadget.
Go to gadget.
Ay. Ay, bagong gadget.
Hi, Raquel.
Mikropono. Pag tinutok ko yung mikropono, bunganga mo.
Agad-agad kang umawit. Agad-agad kang umawit pag gano'n.
Oh my God, nakalimutan ko kainin yung ano ko, be. Be,
Ano?
yung shiratake doon.
Ayun yung sinasabi ko sa'yo yung kung babaunin mo kanina.
Hindi, kinain ko yung yang chow eh.
Shiratake pa, ha? Yang chow din pala babagsak.
Tatapon na naman tuloy natin yun.
Pwede pa yun. Talagyan mo lang ulit ng water, tapos
Bukas?
microwave.
Parang hindi na.
Tsaka na. Ang daming shiratake.
I mean, you know, sayang.
Yeah.
Sayang.
Lara taking a shit.
Where's Lil Eddie? Guys, Lil Eddie is sleeping pating. He's like a pating now. Sleeping ting pating. He is a statue in the bed.
Statue sa bed.
Ay, may shoot pala tayo. Pagpatay na lang. Pag 8 p.m.
What you guys gonna shoot?
Tayo!
I know.
Guys, meron kaming live sa TikTok on Sunday. Kami ni Mr. B from 6 p.m. to 12 a.m. Sana makasama kayo guys for Katie's Products.
This is your butt tray. It's little
Sa linggo Sunday kami pa. Kasi you know, busy si Mr. B and ako din yung schedule namin guys.
Yes, Toby.
Happy birthday! Ano daw?
Happy birthday, Tutu. Happy birthday, Tutu.
Thank you so much. Yes, abangan nyo kami sa Sunday.
Why was that so funny to us?
Yung ano?
Do you remember that?
Hindi ko alam. I don't have energy.
Why was that so funny to us?
Kasi kinakanta ni Rainier.
Ah...
Wow, ang taray ni Artista News.
Bakit?
Wala. Pinost,
Talaga?
pinost niya yung kagabi. Kinilig daw ako sa pasalubong mong food.
Anong
Ewan.
basta pasalubong?
Ewan. Bala na siya. Kinilig sa pasalubong na food. Yung mga bling-bling mo, Mr. B, baka mag-ano. Wala. Baka hindi pa magaling yung mga kasama namin dito. Je, magaling ka na ba, Je?
Medyo lumalaban pa rin minsan, pero... medyo lumalaban pa rin minsan.
O, matago ni Jelly yun sa bag
Oo.
niya. Joke lang. Hi, Shalame. Tomorrow guys, may taping tayo ng Kamao. At marami tayong scenes tomorrow. Di ba medyo naka-ayos tayo ng very late kasi may pupuntahan sana kami kanina kaso dahil sa sobrang baha, cancel. Nakikipaglabanan tayo dito sa Comsec, no? Tama. Hello, Mom, Dad. Nakakaduling lang lalo eh. Baka maagang masira ang ice.
Dati nakita mo yung isang cellphone ko? Yung isang cellphone, kulay orange.
Si Katie nandun sa studio, guys.
Pag tapos ka na dyan, pwede pa po at least.
Ay, ano to?
Kailan sila matatapos daw, Chris? Dun sa sa baba.
Sa gym?
Tapos na sila doon?
Darwin? No. They have to wait for...
Kuya Randy.
Diba? Cellphone? Yep.
Sino po? Hi, Reels.
The audio, man, is still setting
Hi,
up.
KKK fam. Ang dami nakatambay Guys, kung meron mga naka-level 2 dito, may naka-ready na po si Mr. B na bagong vlog sa level 2 at para naman sa ipapublic po niya ng 8 p.m. tonight.
Thanks, guys. Thanks, Team KH. Alright, let's see if we got juice.
Check, check, 1, 2.
Ay, ganda.
Check, check, 1, 2, 3.
Ay, parang babagsak na din yung mata ko.
Labanan mo yan. Ang dami
Parang
kasi
nakakaano dito
nakikinain.
sa ano niya, B?
Hindi, actually, kasi wala pang nangyayari masyado.
Ayan. Pag may may
Kung may action na, gigising ka rin.
Paano yung action? 10.
10.
Gusto mo ito daan sa ilalim na lang. Kasi pag dito pa ka.
Ay, sige.
Diba?
Chick.
Pakuha.
Ano po? Ano yan?
Ay, sorry.
Guys, si Lil Eddie nagsisleep siya, guys. Wala siyang energy. At parang nakahawa na din ako.
Is it sleepy vibes?
Sabi ko lang wala pang nangyayari kasi. Pero pag umano na yan,
Marangkada.
umarangkada na yan. Guys, para magising naman, baka naman,
Hi, Lovey. Yes. Come here.
Ano oras ako uwi?
Kaya nga eh. Teka,
Magla-live pa kayo.
Lovey, smile ka naman.
Mama, ano oras tayo uwi?
Ano oras tayo, eh?
Ako.
Ikaw, ano oras mo gusto?
Ngayon sana.
May magatid kay Katie?
Si Kuya Bal. Mama, gusto ko na kasi umuwi.
Okay po.
Naka 1 hour na ako dito eh. Di ba usapan natin 7?
Yes po, hug mo naman po ako.
Is it 7
I
ba?
love you.
7:27.
Oh, so you went overtime?
Yes.
I love you.
Wow! Sa January!
Thank you, say.
Oh my God.
Katie can say thank you.
What was it?
Thank you, January. Say
Oo
thank you,
daw.
January. Thank you,
Dinosaur ba?
January.
Lion.
Ano yan, layon? Ay, layon!
Thank you, January! Ayan, nagising na.
Nagising
Kitten lion.
Kasi sabi niyo, inaantok kayo eh.
Baka mabagsak yung anong that one.
Ay, sorry. Ito.
Hindi, I mean, baka mabagsak, no? Di man.
Grabe. Miss January.
January!
January.
She's trying to get the party started.
Nakita niya kasi si Katie.
Oh, ito ba yung nakakonect dyan? Parang, no?
Parang po.
So, let's do.
Parang po.
So, let's do.
Buti na lang
Cute
nakaayos.
naman.
Buti na nga lang nakaayos. Next time paalam ka. Paano na?
Yeah.
Singnan mo. Hindi ako nakapansin. Singnan mo. Tingnan mo. Kiki, oh.
Aww.
Sumasabit siya, please. Hello, everybody. I love you, everybody. Thank you, January. Juicy Alago. Yes, anak. I have taping. Maaga.
Grabe na lang.
7 a.m. Nakampas tuloy kita! Ayan!
Luga ako.
Naghahanap siya ng makakagising, di ba? So,
Grabe
that's
yan.
it, guys.
Grabe din, guys. Ang galing
I wish nagising ka talaga.
galing ni Sir Chris mag... siya talaga ang life of the party.
O, di ba nahampas kita? Ayun tayo.
Okay lang, kasi gising
It's
ka
a
daw.
love tap.
Classic.
Sabi ko sa inyo, nangampas ako pag nagugulat eh.
Mali-mali siya, guys. Mali-mali.
Buisit!
Gift, sabi ko, anong gift yun na ang gulat?
Di ba?
Pati rin sila nagulat.
Alam.
Ang tuwa siya ng gulat.
2 million na the heart mo, Sir Chris.
Ha?
2M na, 2M.
You like that? Because I like it.
Ay,
Ay.
pa siya more.
Gulat ako na sa CR ako.
Kahit ikaw.
Nagulat ka, anak?
Naiihi ako.
Okay, go.
I love you.
Kiss me, Kate.
Emergency to. Yung pag-piwiin na emergency daw. Emergency to.
She's the cutest little thing.
All right, guys. What song do you guys want to hear today? Kaya ba nagulat? Because that was the point.
Evil.
Parang nakita parang random naman baliktad ng kay
Magamit ko ngayon sa mga next na ano. Kailangan may ma-victimize din ako using that sound.
Nice.
Wait, kid. Pwede nood ka rin. Ano to?
Statue. Let's do statue. Let's see. Tugtungin natin tapos let's see if ano. Let's see kung magigising siya.
Nakita ko lang dito sa ano eh. Sige, Sir Ganda.
Kala nyo, no?
Go! Go! Ay, magtama eh. Ganun ka. Yan ang making kayo dalitan. Bakit tama na lang? Kaya tayo Go! Tigil pa naman kayo. Dan, hindi nilalang yung dance eh.
Parang mahirap to, no? Dapat mas upbeat.
Ano mas rapid? Ah! Aray! Relax ka na lang ng relax. Ba't madalamay mo?
When the day is said and done, in the middle of the night, and you're fast asleep, my love. I'm the luckiest man alive.
Oh, this one. Ready? Are you ready? Come on. You know this one. You know this one. Sit. Ready? 1, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Closed off from love, I didn't need a pen. Once or twice was enough, and it was all in vain. Time starts to pass before you know it, you're frozen. But something happened for the very first time with you. My heart melts into the ground, found something true, and
Ready?
everyone's looking around, thinking I'm going crazy.
You know.
There's always that one person that will always have your back. You never see it
Don't be mad, don't hate me, guys. I'm actually starting to like A9 music.
you're the one
Don't hate me.
for everyone to see. Oh, baby, you will always be my boo. Oh, it's the only way you know how to rock. Hey. I was the one to gave you your first kiss. Yes, I remember, girl. I was the one that put your lips like this. Even before all the pain and people screaming your name. Girl, I was there. You were my baby. Started when we were younger. You were mine. Now none of us taking over, but it's still in your eyes. Even though we still argue, it's alright. And I know we haven't seen each other in a while.
8.
But you
Ano yun?
always be my boo. My
Uwi na siya? Taga saan ka?
started when we were
Five? Oh, sige. 5:30? 5:30? Bye, Toti! Say bye, Toti! Dang, these robots can sing. Guys, we have 18 minutes and then lipat tayo sa red. Alright?
There's a place in your heart, and I know that it is love. This place will be much brighter than tomorrow. If you really try.
Hi, December. Hi, January.
Hello, February, March, April, May, June, July! Woo! Thank you, thank you!
Feel the world.
December!
Make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying for the living. Make a better place for you and for me.
January! Whoa! Thanks, Mom! Mom.
There's a love that cannot lie. Love is strong. It only cares for joyful giving. Giving. Stop existing and start living. Then it feels that always love's enough for us growing. So make a better world. Make a better world. Heal the world. Make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying. If you care enough for the living, make a better place for you and for me. Come saving with a really joyful face.
No, I won't.
This earth crucified and soul. Though it's plain to see this world is heavenly.
Thank you!
We can fly so high that our spirits never die. With my heart, I feel like you are on my riders. Create a world with no fear. Together we'll cry happy tears. See the nations turn their swords into plowshares. Oh, we could really get there. You care enough for a living. Make a little space to make a better place.
Heal the world. Guys, I'm gonna have to listen to something next, okay? I'll let you guys hear a new version of something, okay?
You wait for me.
Ilan sa boy?
Jim!
Ilan sa boy?
Oh, low battery.
Let me be here for you.
Ilan sa boy? What are you saying? Of course.
Is your love
Happy
all I need to know? Letting in a world of fools, breaking us down, and they all should never be. It belongs to you and me.
Okay daw kami. Andun
Oh, 7 minutes, guys! And lilipat tayo sa red app. Okay?
Mama, yes baby. Isipin ko kung papasok na ako bukas. Wala nang pasok. Next year. Isipin ko muna. Kasi parang gusto mo. Opo, kasi ayoko na mag-absent eh.
Kasi ako.
Very good. High five. I love it. Guys,
Kasi ayoko na mag-absent.
si Katie, she loves her school. So, palakpakan natin. Hey! Thank you, Kai. Palakpakan naman natin si Katie kasi she loves her school and she did a quiz and she got 20 out of 20. Yay! Yeah! Yeah! Oh, yeah! Thank you, January.
I love you, Katie. Are you gonna bring this?
Congrats daw, Katie. Say thank you.
Thank you po.
Okay, let's sing one song. Bilang nasa 3.3 million likes tayo. Let's go, guys. Request. One request, guys.
It's been a message. Let me know. Ready to taste.
Enjoy mo na this year, ha? Ayaw mo na.
Forever, lady in red. You want lady in red? Okay.
Yes.
Let's do that, guys.
I love you.
Can Papa have a kiss? Bye-bye. Such a sweet little girl. Never thought you were gonna say, lady in brown for you. Okay, 3 minutes, one song, and then we move to. What song do you guys want? Key.
This year, I'll enjoy po. Po, ha? Tapos next year, wala. Kala ko ayaw mo na nang wala. But next year, this year, mag-enjoy po ako. Isipin ko pa, Okay po.
Let's do.
Pinati sa boy.
How about this one? Did we do this one last time? All I ask, or if I can get you. Die with a smile. You wanna sing Die with a Smile? You wanna sing Die with a Smile?
Kuya, nandiyan ka ba sa baba?
Taas.
Nagbaba na sila.
Ayos.
Ano lang daw siya?
Ayun na. Bye-bye, anak. Love you.
Kiss pa pa.
Bye.
Love you.
Ay, ito. Anak.
Ay, opo. Pero yung slime sa inyo nadalhin ha.
Ah. Ayun.
One more.
Nanghina na si Jello.
Hindi.
Malapit na tayo set natin.
Agad.
Ano nangyayari sa natin?
reason to lie. What we're feeling is right now. So baby, let's just turn down. One love that tries, but you won't need it anymore. No, you won't need it no more. Let's just kiss till naked. Versace on the floor. Oh, take it out for me, for me, for me, for me now, girl. Versace on the floor. Oh, take it out for me, for me, for me now, girl. Yeah. So I'll take the night and watch it all. When I kiss your neck and shoulders, now don't be afraid to show it all. If I get ready to hold you, girl, you know you're perfect from your head down to your heels. Don't be confused by my side. I ain't never been more for real. So just turn down the lights and close the door. Oh, I love that chance, but you won't need it anymore. No, you won't need it no more. Let's just kiss till the night. December. Versace on the floor. Robin, oh, take it out for me, for me, for me, for me now, girl. Versace on the floor. Oh, take it out for me, for me, for me, for me now, girl. Yeah. Sayang naman kung i-out ko to, number 1 daw. Guys, let's go. Number 1 sa live.
Go lang.
Sayang.
Tuloy mo pa. Extend mo pa.
Ayan na, parang umiyak. Tayo umiyak. Ano ba yung ano natin? Effects. Chris.
1, 2, 3. It's warming up. Can you feel it?
It's warming up.
Can you feel it?
It's warming up.
Can you feel it, baby? Oh, see, I'm ready for more, more, more. Let's just kiss till we're naked. Ooh, Versace on the floor. Oh, take it off for me, for me, for me, for me now, girl. Versace on the floor. Oh.
Sige.
Oh, ayan na, 8 na.
Ay, nakasmile siya, babe.
Ay,
Jowa ko.
hindi sila manonood dun. Diyan lang.
Ay,
Teaser.
on the red app, guys, right now, right now.
Diyan ka lang talaga mapanood.
Teaser lang.
Ah! Ay,
Madam, bagong-bago. May bago pa talaga. Mukhang hindi nagamit.
Talagang inamoy ko yung shoes. Hindi ko alam kung nagamit na.
Hello, everybody. Kamusta? Mr. D is here. Oy, dapat medyo Korean ganyan pangyarihan. Tapos nag-slow mo. Mr. B is here.
이제는 너무 익숙해져 버린 너의 손들이 난 더 이상 하고
Naging aso. Ang daw. Pantitake kami, guys. Pantitake kami, guys. Ikaw
Okay.
talaga, ma'am.
The rest, you can go to the red app, and then you can come back because we're still gonna be live. Okay?
Yes. And, yun lang. Ano pa ba? Wala maglilinis ata siya ng...
Teaser lang. Teaser.
So, you guys can go to the red app. Oops.
Done watching na daw.
Done watching? You're not done watching.
Baka
Oh,
lang.
yeah.
Ano
Baka
lang
lang.
eh.
Yes.
Sabay daw sa live. Pinahirapan daw sila, sabay nanonood. Saan daw siya manonood?
Litong-lito na.
Sa TikTok daw, wala pang replay. Ang lamig, Chris. Parang jacket.
Sure.
Yung ginawin mong tsahin.
Got you.
Ang lamig.
Yung lamigin mong tiyang.
Pahiram ng blanket.
Hindi ko.
Ay, ano?
Blanket.
Ito na daw, Chris.
Ang kagabi.
Pahiram.
Or jacket na para
Ayan,
sa